Alright, in number 5, we are asked to find the inverse of f of x equals 4x minus 6. So before we find the inverse, let's think about what the inverse should do. The original function is multiplying by 4 and subtracting 6. So the inverse function, since it quite literally does the exact opposite, should involve dividing by 4 and adding 6. Let's keep that in mind when we go to figure out the inverse. So first thing I did here is just change f of x to y, simply because y is a little bit easier to work with than f of x. And the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to switch the places of x and y. So x equals 4y minus 6. And then we're going to solve for y. So that means we got to get y by itself. So the first thing we're going to do is add 6 to both sides. X plus 6 is not 6x, not even close. X plus 6 is just x plus 6. These are not like terms. You're juniors, you should know that by now. X plus 6 equals 4y. Next thing we're going to do is divide both sides by 4, since that is the opposite of multiplying by 4. So we get x plus 6 over 4 equals y. So to finish writing this right here is technically the inverse, but I need to write it in function notation. So I'm going to say f inverse of x equals x plus 6 over